Ever wondered if a compact hairdryer could deliver salon-quality results while keeping things light and portable? Well, the Panasonic nanoe compact hairdryer may just be the solution you're looking for. Whether you're at home or on the go, this nifty tool claims to offer powerful performance in a travel-friendly design. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down and see how it stacks up in real-world use. First off, let's talk about what makes this dryer stand out. It's equipped with nanoe technology, which is designed to pull moisture from the air, creating ultra-fine, moisture-rich particles that penetrate your hair shaft. This not only helps keep your hair hydrated, but also works to reduce frizz and static. Now, if you're someone who struggles with dryness or frizz, this could be a real game changer. It's like having a mini salon treatment every time you blow dry. Now, onto the Oscillating Quick Dry Nozzle. This feature is pretty unique. It moves back and forth to distribute air evenly and efficiently. That means no hot spots, and your head stays cool during the drying process. I don't know about you, but I hate when my dryer burns my scalp or leaves one part of my hair damp while the other is over-dried. The oscillating nozzle seems to eliminate that problem, making for a much smoother drying experience. One of the best things about this dryer is its size. It's lightweight, which makes it easy to hold and maneuver, even for extended styling sessions. I've used plenty of heavy-duty blow dryers that leave my arms sore, but this one doesn't have that problem. Despite being small, it's no slouch when it comes to power, packing 1400 watts that deliver quick, thorough drying. If you're short on time, this will be your best friend. When it comes to the 3 airflow settings, high, medium, and cool, you've got options. The high setting is great for quick drying, the medium for more controlled styling, and the cool setting gives you that post-drying freshness while locking in your style. I used all 3 settings during my testing, and each performed as expected, so no complaints there. You can definitely customize the airflow to suit your needs. Now, the foldable design is a huge perk for travel. It's compact and easy to store, which means you won't have to sacrifice space in your luggage or vanity drawer. This is especially handy for people who travel often or live in spaces where storage is a concern. It's a clever way to keep things neat and functional. But, as with every product, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While it's efficient, the 1400 watt power might not be as strong as some professional dryers, especially if you have thick or very long hair. It works fine for most hair types, but if you're looking for super fast, ultra powerful drying, you may want to explore higher wattage options. Also, the lack of a diffuser might be a downside for those with curly hair who need more precise styling tools. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's definitely a good deal for those who want a portable, effective hairdryer without the professional salon price tag. It's lightweight, compact, and gets the job done with minimal fuss. However, if you're someone who needs high wattage for faster drying or specific attachments like a diffuser, you might want to look elsewhere. Comparing this to other compact dryers in the market, you're getting a solid offering with the nanoe technology, which is something not all dryers at this price point have. It sets this model apart from others, especially for those who prioritize hair health and frizz control. As for build quality, the materials feel durable, and the foldable design is a clever touch for storage. It's a well-made product that doesn't feel flimsy, which is always a plus. Finally, if you're not completely sold on the price, there are certainly more budget-friendly options that offer basic drying without the advanced technology. But if you want a dryer that treats your hair with care and packs in some extra features without breaking the bank, this could be a great addition to your beauty routine. So, does the Panasonic nanoe compact hairdryer live up to its claims? I'd say yes, for the most part. It's a compact, powerful, and effective dryer that's perfect for travel and everyday use. It's well suited to people who need a lighter, more convenient dryer without sacrificing performance. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future beauty insights. Your support helps us bring you honest and detailed reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Also, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you.